What's up, my beautiful Vybz fam? Welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making some minced beef pasta bolognese. And here is my minced beef, 15% fat only. And here are my ingredients that I'll be using. So let's season up. So here I have half tablespoon of Lorry's seasoning, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning, 1 tablespoon garlic granules, 1 tablespoon onion granules, and of course some green seasoning. In total, I use 3 tablespoons of green seasoning. Yes, listen, I don't play with, you see these kind of meat, me not play with them. I do not play with them. I put lots of seasoning. And of course, 1 tablespoon grated ginger or minced ginger or ginger paste, right? So just 1 tablespoon. And of course, here is my I just felt like adding this, right? It's some garlic and pepper, and trust me, Vybz Sam, it gave it a kick. It was so good, right? So good. You don't have to add that, of course. So yeah, go ahead and mix that up, and you want to take the time and really dig in and gather everything together, right? So you don't have a clump of seasoning at one part of your beef. So that's it. Then you're gonna cover it, set it aside to marinate for some hours if you can. Okay, now let's cook the pasta. So I added some salt to some hot water, and then I'm adding the pasta, and I'm gonna leave that to boil, not until it's too soft, because we don't want too much of a soft pasta, right? So just use the instruction on the back. So then I added a little oil to my pot, and now I'm sauteing 1.5 onion. And I like a lot of onion. I like a lot of seasoning overall, like a lot of these veggies in my food. So saute until translucent, till you can see through it, then it's ready. So let's go ahead and mix that up. So basically just leave it for about 2 to 3 minutes and let it do what it do. And then we're going to add the other stuff. Well, first let's check on the pasta. It's all done. Take it off, pour off the water, set it aside to cool. Okay, so now I'm adding a lot of garlic. Yes, I'm adding like about 2 tablespoons. I chopped up about maybe like 6 or 8 cloves of garlic, right? And then so we're going to saute them together, right? Mix them up, and the kitchen is smelling lovely. And then we're going to add the other niceness. So what are we going to add? Look at it, beautiful. I'm adding all the colors of the rainbow with the sweet pepper or bell pepper added. Red, yellow, and green. Beautiful. And Vybz Sam, listen, as long as you don't, and I'm spraying it, and I don't like to use a lot of oil in my food, so I'm spraying it with just a little oil spray. You can tip a little oil if you want, but I just wanted to use the spray because of course I'll be using a sauce, right? So for sure I don't want a lot of oil in my thing. So leave this now for about 2-3 minutes, and then this is after that, and we're gonna stir it up, right? And it's smelling so good. Yeah, use a lot of these if you don't mind them. Use a lot in this recipe. So beautiful. So we're done, and now we're adding the minced beef that has been thoroughly seasoned, and now we are gonna go ahead and dig in. We're going to try to break them up, break up the pieces. And at this point in time, you can have the stove on like medium heat or high. So you just need to be stirring fast, right? And you're going to do it until it changes color. So it shouldn't look red anymore. It's going to look kind of like brown or so. But yeah, Vybz Sam, work. We are working for this meal. It ain't free. No, we working. So so this is it, almost done. You can see some of the parts of it is still red, but for most part it is basically cooked. Once you see it get that color, it is ready, right? So yeah, just look at it, beautiful. So yeah, Vybz Sam, stir it up, and then we're gonna go ahead and add you can use pasta sauce or bolognese sauce, tomato sauce, whatever sauce you want to use. Beautiful. So I added my bolognese sauce, gorgeous, and we are gonna stir that up. So at this point in time, when you stir it up, you can go ahead and taste it. Or if you don't want to stir it up, and then after we stir it up and everything is combined together, I'm going to leave it for about 5 minutes. Cover the pot and leave it for about 5 minutes. I also added 2 tablespoons of sugar. Sorry, Vybz fam, I don't know where the clip is. So yeah, here it is now. After the 5 minutes, stir it up, and this is where for sure you need to taste it to see if it needs anything. And then this is where you would add it more salt or whatever. Just beautiful. So stir it up again, and then now we're gonna make sure it tastes, and we're gonna add the pasta. Just gorgeous. So as you can see, Vybz fam, the pasta kind of have a little, you know, a little firmness to it. By the way, I didn't explain why I added the sugar. You add the 2 tablespoons of sugar just to cut the tanginess of the sauce. It is a bit too tangy for me. It's too acidy and tangy for me. So oh my goodness, Lord, I don't know what to do with myself. Look how good that, look how good that looks. So we're gonna stir this up. Yes, so the sugar is just to cut the tanginess, to kind of even out the taste of it. All these sauce, a lot of time they are just too much for my taste buds. But if you taste it and you are okay with it, then you don't have to add the sugar. Here I'm adding some mixed herbs just to give it a little zaza pazza. Yes, add it, dash it in there, dash it all over on it. So stir it up. If you want to add some black pepper, add it. I added the garlic pepper, so it's a bit it has the taste of pepper in there, so I didn't need to add any black pepper. So yeah, cover it for 5 minutes, and that is you. And here we have it, Vybz fam. Yes. Run, come, everybody. Run, come, hurry up. What? Listen, this is so good. When I tell you goods, I means goods. It is so good. You want to taste it. You want to try it. Look at the sweet pepper them coming through. Look at beautifulness. Tell me it ain't good. Of course, you need to try it. But Vybz fam, comment down below and tell me if this is something you would try. But thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And run over Instagram and follow me, please. Thank you. God bless you.